Alright guys, here we are with the next stage. All the lights are wired in and we're now going to do an unboxing for video card upgrade and a description of what we did with the lights.
Hello everyone, I am the proud owner of this beast right here. This is the third update. My name is Jack Chenier. We got Brian Summers behind you. He is with City Computers, who is just an awesome tech, very experienced. We're having a blast. This is a huge dream that I've been dreaming of for the last 15 years. And here we go. Third update, we added a Silverstone controller, 8-port RGB, just strips, just extra lighting inside here. If Brian can come a little bit closer, we'll show you where we mounted them. There's a strip that's up top. And you guys may be wondering why the white LED background kind of thing going on right there. Well, Brian here noticed these. I can't remember exactly where, but these guys are, for some reason, are a lot brighter with that white background. Of course, the whites does stick out, so of course we're trying to hide them. Well, we did, but anyway. So these are great. These are great. They're a lot more powerful. They make a huge difference. If you go back to one of the old videos and then come back to this one, you will see a big difference in the change. It's cool. So anyway, it's, as far as we both know right at this moment, this is a great product, and it did an awesome and fantastic job in the case. And now to something that I know everybody loves when it comes to building a computer. Come on, man. Really? Say hello to the EVGA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. With no further ado, I'm just going to get right into this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm like a little kid at Christmas time with stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? So check this out, man. I know you're probably asking, this dude is changing out a 1080 Ti for another 1080 Ti. Yes, if you guys forget, that is an MSI Armor Edition 1080 Ti, 11 gigs, of course. Good card. It's just, you'll see why I'm changing it here. So here we go. CD, bam! It does come with a cool, I think that is metal. They're starting to make their little stickers and stuff like that a lot more cool. This is it's this kind of beveled out. It's kind of got that 3D look and stuff. So, and of course, you know, the drivers, blah 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 blah. We know the graphics card. I know. I'm not going to do blah blah anymore. That's a really bad no. So anyway, user's guide. We know what that is. You know what? Stickers. I don't use these guys anymore because you know what? This just does not match with this. So
No.
Anyway, so you guys know all this kind of stuff. I'm sorry that I'm rushing through this, but not really rushing through it. But check this out. This is cool. And you know what?
Woo!
That's really cool right there. That's a cool poster. I'm digging that. And you know what? You can only get these posters by buying a $1,000 video card.
That's very true.
Okay? I don't know if you knew that or not, but I just want to throw that in there.
It's a $1,000 poster.
Yep. So anyway, cool poster from EVGA, and which I'm might be destroying here.
Folding backwards.
Yeah. Here we go. I got got to go that way. Yep. There we go. There we go. There we go. You know, teamwork.
The best part of the video.
Teamwork. You know what I'm saying?
The poster getting all folded
Oh, real
up.
quick, let me send a quick shout out to UWG, United World Gamers, Dingo, Don, Swats, Nine, Cubs, all you guys. And if I forgot anybody, I'm blaming it on old age. Okay? All right, here we go. Without further ado, this is why, or one of the big reasons why we're changing this video. Here we go.
Whoa,
Bam.
look at that.
Come on, man. Real. Woo! Now, you know what? We already know about the static plastic, all that. You know what, Brian? I have nothing to open. Oh, wait. Let me calm down.
There we go.
Let me calm down.
You're getting too excited.
Breathe,
You're forgetting
Jack.
the simple.
Breathe.
Tape tears.
Here we go. Okay.
Ooh. Oh,
That
look at that.
is the reason why we are changing the card.
Let's go ahead and pull that plastic off so we can get the real emphasis of the color.
Oh,
now that's the best part.
Ooh, look at that. Bam. That's what I'm talking about right there. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is just, it's a beauty.
It is.
Absolute beauty. Go Hawks!
Amazing color, and I'm glad we're
Yeah,
shooting this.
go Hawks, baby. That's what I'm talking about right
Shooting
here.
this in 4K was the best choice because.
And check it out. Check out the back plate on this bad boy.
Oh, look at that! Oh, we're gonna have to remove that sticker. It says to remove it.
Yeah.
But look, it's a double plate.
But just a real quick thing, you guys. We have a surprise for you about this whole back part. But that's going to be in another update.
Probably video 4, maybe 5.
Maybe somewhere around there. So
Or 5 at least.
Stay tuned because we got something that's just going to blow you away.
I think we're going to have to do like 5, maybe 6 parts to this video for the completion.
Maybe. But anyway, so
I mean,
I think we're done as far as the unboxing part of it. There's nothing else in here besides, the
not unless
power
you want
cables
to
and
take
stuff
everybody
like that.
to see you ripping off that plastic off the back.
Yeah. And we're going to go ahead and stop at this point, and we're going to swap this bad boy out real quick.
And part 4 will be coming along with the boot up sequence of this, so you can see the new light effects.
Yes.
Along with this.
Yes.
And part 5 will include a very special. You already seen it in part 3. The Russell Wilson figurine will be finally attached to the back plate, and we will give you, along with the lighting, it's going to be amazing. And there are more RGB strips coming soon. We are going to be adding a few more to give it a little bit extra light, and you're going to love the effects on this. So stay tuned, and we'll be back with you shortly.
See ya!